In today's culture, any man or woman who successfully provides for their family is said to be bringing home the bacon. But why bacon? This centuries-old breakfast meat has slowly infiltrated every aspect of food and consumer culture you could think of. So we thought, why not team up with Pederson's Farms and look at the process of how this mouth-watering meat is actually processed and prepared for the many bacon lovers of the world. Bacon is a meat product that is most commonly prepared from pork belly. Pederson's Farms receives humane, antibiotic-free pork bellies in boxes known as combos each Monday, and by Friday, all bellies have been turned into bacon. The first step in the bacon process is the curing stage. What sets Pederson's Farms apart from other manufacturers is the ingredients that they use in their brine. While the most common used ingredients are water, salt, sugar, and sodium nitrate, Pederson's Farms exchanges sodium nitrate for celery powder, as celery powder is naturally high in nitrate. After the release of the Whole30 diet, which focuses on cutting out sugar completely, Pederson's Farms also offers a sugar-free bacon choice, different from the rest. Workers will then load the fresh pork bellies into machines known as tumblers, and with a hose, they will spray the brine into the tumbler, coating the bellies. Once the door is securely closed, a vacuum will then suck all of the air out of the tumbler, allowing the muscle of the pork bellies to suck up the brine solution, and the tumblers will do as their name suggests, tumble the pork bellies for 3 to 4 hours. Once tumbled, the pork bellies are hung on trucks and rolled into the smokehouse, where they will hang for 4.5 to 5 hours. As common sense has it, you can't have a smokehouse without smoke, thus smoke is fed into the house from smoke generators in a nearby room. Wood chips lend the pork various flavors, and at Pederson's Farms, they offer anywhere from hickory flavor to apple and cherry. The wood chips are dropped onto an electric burner, creating smoke that is filtered into the house through a hole in the ceiling. After the smoking process, the pork bellies are rolled out of the smokehouse and into the blast chill freezer, where their temperatures will go from 132 degrees back down to 20 degrees, making them easier to handle. After 12 to 16 hours of cooling, the pork bellies are taken to the bacon press, where they are cut into more of a rectangular form, making it easier to slice into strips. The bellies are placed back into the room temperature cooler, bringing them back up to 22 degrees. Once they've reached this temp, they're ready for slicing. After being sliced, the bacon is weighed to determine if the right amount is put into each package. As the bacon makes its way down the line, slabs are placed onto a cardboard, partially overlapping one another in a shingled pattern, making it more appealing to customers. This display is then placed in plastic pockets and run under a top layer of plastic that is air sealed to the bottom layer of plastic. The last step in the bacon process is making sure the packaged bacon looks appealing to customers. If so, it is packaged up and ready to be shipped to distributors. Most of Pederson's Farms products are distributed to Whole Foods all over the U.S. From the East Coast to the West, you can find Pederson's delicious, all-natural bacon. Now, I don't know about you, but all this talk has got me aching for some bacon.